Did you know that the average household item, from a simple rubber band to a coffee filter, often has a secret life beyond its intended use? It's true. Your home is filled with hidden helpers, each waiting to surprise you with their versatility. Many of us have drawers, cupboards, or storage bins overflowing with gadgets and tools, but the real magic lies in seeing the uncommon potential of the items we use every day. Discovering these hidden uses doesn't just save space and money, it turns daily living into a more creative, resourceful, and sustainable experience. Today, let's unlock the secrets of your own home by exploring 20 uncommon uses for everyday household items. We'll reveal clever hacks that not only simplify life, but also breathe new life into the things you already own. Whether you're hoping to cut down on clutter, save a trip to the store, or just enjoy that satisfying feeling of outsmarting life's little problems, these tips are sure to spark your imagination. It's a common dilemma. Our homes gradually become cluttered with single-purpose gadgets or forgotten supplies, many of which sit idle for months or even years. Yet, beneath the surface, these items are brimming with untapped potential. By learning to see beyond their original purpose, you can reduce waste, save money, and free up valuable space, all while experiencing the satisfaction of clever problem-solving. Let's dive in and discover some of the most surprising and practical ways to give your household items a second life. First up, toothpaste. Of course, it keeps our teeth clean and bright, but did you know it can also polish silver jewelry? A small dab rubbed gently onto tarnished silver can restore its shine in moments. Toothpaste's mild abrasives work wonders, making your favorite accessories sparkle like new. Next, the humble coffee filter. Beyond brewing your morning cup, coffee filters make excellent cleaning cloths for delicate surfaces. Their lint-free, non-abrasive texture is perfect for wiping down mirrors, screens, and even eyeglasses, leaving no streaks behind. Number 3. Rubber bands. We all have a stash of these hiding in a drawer, but they can be a secret tool for opening stuck jar lids. Simply wrap a thick rubber band around the edge of the lid to create extra grip, and you'll twist it open with ease. Let's move on to baking soda. Most of us keep it in the kitchen for baking or deodorizing the fridge, but it's also a powerful carpet cleaner. Sprinkle baking soda onto your carpet. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum it up to neutralize odors and freshen the room. Fifth on our list, shower caps. Usually reserved for keeping hair dry, shower caps are perfect for covering shoes in your suitcase. Slip a cap over each pair to keep dirt and grime away from your clothes while traveling. Aluminum foil is next. Beyond wrapping leftovers, it can be rolled up and used as a ball to scrub stubborn residue off grill grates. Its abrasive texture works wonders on built-up grease, saving you both time and effort. Seventh, dryer sheets. Even after their first use, these sheets can remove static from clothing, dust blinds, or even freshen up your shoes. Place a used dryer sheet inside a shoe overnight to help absorb odors and leave a fresh scent. Turning to vinegar, we know it as a kitchen staple, but it also shines as a fabric softener. Add a half cup of white vinegar to your laundry's rinse cycle to soften clothes, kill bacteria, and help remove detergent residue. No harsh chemicals required. Number 9. Olive oil. Beyond cooking, olive oil can be used to polish wooden furniture. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and buff your surfaces to restore their natural luster and cover minor scratches. Paper clips might seem mundane, but they can be bent into makeshift hooks, zipper pulls, or even used to eject SIM cards from smartphones. Keep a few handy in your desk drawer for unexpected fixes. 11th, dental floss. Its strength and flexibility make it ideal for slicing soft foods like cheese or cake. Simply stretch a piece taut and use it to cut perfect slices without crushing delicate textures. Next, bread tags. Instead of tossing them, use bread tags to label tangled cords and chargers. Write the device's name on each tag and clip them to the corresponding cable for easy identification. 13. Ketchup. Surprisingly, ketchup's acidic properties make it an effective metal cleaner. Apply a small amount to tarnished brass or copper, let it sit for a minute, then wipe clean for a brilliant shine. Moving on to egg cartons, these are perfect for organizing small items. Use them to store jewelry, sewing supplies, or even Christmas ornaments, keeping your drawers tidy and your treasures protected. 15th, a muffin tin. Sure, it's great for baking, but it also doubles as a serving tray for taco toppings, condiments, or even as a drawer organizer for office supplies and craft materials. Clear nail polish is another versatile hero. Use it to stop runs and tights, seal envelopes, or even to thread needles more easily by stiffening the end of the thread. 17. Old toothbrushes. Don't throw them away. Use them to scrub grout, clean shoe soles, or detail hard-to-reach corners. Their small bristles are perfect for precision cleaning. Next, ice cube trays. These aren't just for freezing water. Use them to portion homemade baby food, organize tiny hardware like screws and nails, or freeze leftover herbs and olive oil for easy meal prep. 19th, plastic shower curtain rings. Clip them onto a hanger to create a scarf or belt organizer in your closet, making accessories easy to see and keeping them tangle-free. And finally, baby wipes. While they're essential for diaper changes, they're also fantastic for quick cleanups, from wiping dust off your dashboard to removing makeup stains from clothing in a pinch. Among these 20 hacks, a few really stand out. Who would have guessed that toothpaste can bring back the sparkle of your favorite jewelry, or that a coffee filter can leave your screen spotless and streak-free? And the trick with bread tags for cable organization is a game-changer for anyone frustrated by tangled cords. Even Ketchup's ability to clean tarnished metal is a delightful surprise that's both effective and eco-friendly. These creative uses not only help you declutter, but also encourage a more sustainable approach to everyday living. Instead of tossing out items as soon as their original use is done, you're empowered to find new purposes, save money, and reduce waste. With each hack, you're not just making chores easier, you're also flexing your creative muscles and making the most of what you already have. Let's recap. Everyday household items are often hiding secret talents beneath the surface. By reimagining their uses, you can cut down on clutter, save time, and discover creative solutions to common problems. Whether you're polishing silver with toothpaste, organizing cables with bread tags, or freshening shoes with dryer sheets, these simple hacks can transform your daily routine. So, next time you're tempted to toss out an item or buy a specialized gadget, take a moment to consider what you already have. A little creativity can go a long way, and you might just find that the solution you need is already within arm's reach. If you enjoyed these tips and want to unlock even more clever hacks for your home, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more creative solutions to simplify and enrich your everyday life.